What got me interested and started in skincare was, I used to draw. I'm an artist. So when I was in class at school, instead of listening to the teacher, I was drawing people's faces, side-on profiles, and I was always interested and fascinated with the face and the skin because everyone's so different, and everyone's skin is so different, and the texture and the thickness, and some are oily and some are dry and some are flaky and some are ruddy, So I think that I was always really fascinated with how, when you think about it, how many billions of people there are in the world, but yet everyone's so different. And I just sort of found it to be really fascinating. And to explore that more, at 11, my sister always reminds me, she says that you used to always say, I just want to make people feel good, and to understand, and to help people understand the uniqueness of what beauty is, that everyone is so unique. So at a very early age, I knew what I wanted to do when I was 11. And when I finished school, I went straight to Sydney. I started beauty school. I opened my first salon when I was 19, my second one when I was 21. And in Sydney, I started a diathermy association. I wasn't happy with how some of the doctors were treating capillaries. So I wanted, and because I used to do electrolysis, I was able to coagulate little blood vessels, and I was doing a lot of interesting things that I felt were really helpful and that people really appreciated. And to be honest with you, I felt like I constantly need to be mentally stimulated and mentally challenged, and that's really why I came over here to America, because I feel that, working in Beverly Hills, having a business here, and I have done for 27 years, that this is a really challenging place to be, because you have a lot of people that are demanding, but nice, but they want to see results. A lot of them have good skin, but it's being able to take a good skin and being able to make that better. It's easy to treat someone who has a problematic skin, but a lot of people, especially that walk the red carpet, that have a good skin, that can afford to take care of their skin and obviously use products accordingly, but it's just being able to keep their skin really good as we age, because as we age, there's a lot of challenges with that. So.